The Industry Accelerator for Water is a partially configured analytics and visualization solution built on Connect platform services. Combines several industry use cases to accelerate time to value using Connect. The analytics models, visualization, and asset hierarchies are completed using domain-specific asset data and customization choices. The Industry Accelerator for Water enhances overall efficiency by monitoring and predicting water supply and demand within the distribution network while optimizing energy consumption. Here we have an overview of current system health. We're actively detecting water leaks by analyzing historical and real-time flow and pressure data from the water network. By detecting leaks in real time and providing actionable insights such as leak location and size, the solution helps water utilities proactively address issues before they escalate. This also includes the ability to calculate and represent potential financial losses due to water leaks and to drill down to gain a granular understanding of the situation. Here, we are forecasting potential main breaks due to corrosion using advanced analytics on real-time data to identify issues. The view offers trends on corrosion depth from past measurements and future predictions, pressure and flow variances, indicating potential failures. For demand summarization, we can forecast the next 7 days based on past actuals, plus other correlated data such as weather, holidays, and events, and continuously generate predictions for subsequent days. This also provides details by region and other dimensions to fine-tune supply and demand planning. Here, the solution analyzes pump performance data to identify inefficiencies and optimize pump operations to ensure utilization of the most efficient pumps first, thereby optimizing energy usage and reducing overall operational costs. Users are provided with a potential pump operation schedule that would meet predicted demand, projected out for the next 7 days. With pump optimization complete, we can predict energy consumption and enable early energy purchasing, ensuring additional cost savings from off-peak operation. This includes a holistic view of the overall energy consumption and prediction tables for informed decision-making. Sustainability, maintenance, and quality are among the other key performance indicators available within the data visualization. Sustainability plays a critical role in the water industry due to its importance in ensuring reliable access to clean water while reducing emissions. Here we can track other metrics related to chemicals, power sourcing, emissions, and more in support of water distribution optimization. When it comes to maintenance insights, the solution can track and aggregate associated maintenance system KPIs such as downtime, mean time to repair, and mean time before failure. And water quality parameters like pH, nitrogen, and others can be monitored to limit deviations, achieve regulatory compliance, and ensure customer satisfaction. The Industry Accelerator for Water also provides a reports function, in which users can access compliance and regulatory reports on a timed or ad hoc basis. Additionally, the Industrial AI Assistant is available in asking natural language questions, receiving AI-gathered responses based on the user's own data to expedite investigations and issue resolution. By harnessing both historical and real-time data, the Industry Accelerator for Water expedites a water organization's usage of Connect to offer predictive and data-driven insights across water and energy management activities, optimizing operations and enabling more efficient decision-making.